Have you ever imagined investing in a business that grows 1,300% a year? That's how fast Bitcoin grew last year. Investors of all sizes who are plugged in and well informed about the digital currency's growth earned a lot of money in a short time. What will the next opportunity be? How can you earn money quickly and safely? Today, there are two conventional ways to invest in cryptocurrencies. The first is to buy the currencies low and try to sell them high, working through a reliable broker. These are the exchanges, operating like currency exchange offices. This kind of transaction involves large investments, greater risk, and more involvement to monitor the ups and downs of digital currencies. The second way is mining. It involves a smaller investment, but the gains are also smaller, and you need to invest in hardware and facilities and manage your operating costs, mainly electricity. We understand the difficulties this situation presents, so we developed an innovative investment platform that makes this process a lot simpler. Investing as little as $100, you start to earn money mining cryptocurrencies and set up your own network of miners, taking your first step into the world's fastest growing investment market. So, how does it work? Everything is done through blockchain technology, the most advanced tool available for web security. The miner validates the transactions that are being included in the network that have not yet been placed in a block. Among other things, this work calculates the right hash to make the connection between the blocks. The one who deciphers the code first earns economic rewards for the processing capacity of their computers. And that's where our innovative solution comes in. We offer the possibility of investing in 4 processing levels with guaranteed daily earnings of 50% of the mining incentives generated by your plan. You determine your investment according to the processing capacity. Beginner, 4.5 megahash per second. Standard, 22 megahash per second. Professional, 50 megahash per second. Master, 830 megahash per second. In addition to the daily income from mining, the business offers an incredible package of network bonuses that significantly increase your business's results. Direct bonus, binary bonus, indirect bonus, mega matching, residual bonus, and daily mining residual bonus. You can also join a promising career plan with incredible rewards for the best performing entrepreneurs. The future of new financial relationships has already begun, and you don't want to be left out. What are you waiting for to start earning money? Visit our website, learn about our solution, and start earning money by investing in the financial market's future. Go to MiningExpress.com now.